I really need some great pantry storage containers. So I'm checking out these LocknLock storage containers because I think they are exactly what I'm looking for. Now what I want here is something that's completely airtight, easy to clean, easy to open and close for myself and for my children. And I think this hits all of those. I also love that it has a full warranty and the brand itself has all different sizes so I can do whatever I want for whatever I need. So if this works, I will get a lot more of these. How you open it is simply unhook the sides and flip it up. It has the silicone seal right here, which is great. That is what's going to make it airtight and leak-proof. And then it's just a great storage box inside. So of course I need to do the ultimate test and put some water in there and see if it leaks. Let me put some water in. I've added some water in there, but before I flip it over, I'm gonna check it out again, how easy it is to open. Really easy to open. I am also super thrilled that it is not only dishwasher safe and microwave safe, it is also freezer safe. So I can use this however I want, wherever I want. So there is a little water in there, or quite a bit. We are gonna risk this on my coffee table. It's fully sealed, nothing hard there. Tipping it over, sloshing it around, holding it on its side. It's 100% leak proof. There are no leaks. There is nothing along the edges. It is completely holding that water in. It is doing exactly what it promised. These LocknLock storage containers are 100% a win. I totally recommend them and I know that you'll love them and I'm going to be getting a lot more.